In this video, I want to answer some of your questions about how do I make money here living in Thailand, how do I move here, and how can I afford the cost of living here in Thailand. And for those of you who are new here, let me give you some background. So I finished my medical school earlier this year. I graduated in June 2023 and I just knew instantly that I want to be a digital nomad and just like quit my medicine career because it wasn't really aligned with my goals anymore. So I've been on this digital nomad journey for the past 5 months. So on my channel, I usually share about travel and also the digital nomad lifestyle and how I make money working remotely. And today I really want to give you guys all the details about how you can do the same thing too. So first of all, let's start with why Thailand. So this is the country and the place that I've always want to visit. I'm from Indonesia and I used to live in Bali for 2 years. I love it there, but I also want to venture out of Indonesia and just explore another Southeast Asia countries. The main reason is because the cost of living in Southeast Asia country is significantly lower than other countries. Here in Thailand, you can find an accommodation for 200 to 600 bucks a month, and you don't really need a car. You can just like walk anywhere. Transportation fees also very cheap. You have Grab, Bolt, which is like very affordable, and the cost for food and groceries is also like lower, which means you can save more money living in Thailand. I'm currently living in Chiang Mai, so if you're curious about the cost of living in Chiang Mai, you can check out my other video. I'll leave the link to the video in the description box below. Now here comes the exciting part. How can you afford to live in Thailand? So before I moved to Thailand, I already have a remote work that allows me to work from anywhere I want. To give you more context, I used to work as a social media manager and I decided to build my own brand now, so I only work freelance as a social media manager. From my freelance work, I make roughly around 1,000 US dollar per month, and I would say if you're living in Thailand or planning to move to Thailand, 1,000 US dollar is enough to cover your basic necessities to live here. So there's so many freelance work ideas that you can do if you're planning to work remotely. UGC is very popular nowadays. That's when you work with a brand, they send you their items and then you create a content for them, whether it's in photos or videos, and you don't really have to show your face or post it on your page if you don't have a huge followers, and brand will pay you for the content that you created. If you have a good video editing skills, you can always help clients to edit their videos, and if you speak more than one language, you can always check out some gigs on Fiverr, or there's also other freelance platform where you can teach the language, one-on-one tutoring, online class. That's also like something that I do here and there. Another online work that I've seen so many times lately is virtual assistant. So you can find clients who are maybe based in US or Canada where they pay you in US dollars, and if you're living in Thailand, your money will go a long way. I would suggest to find a sustainable remote work that you can do before you move to another countries and start your digital nomad journey, just because it will save you tons of stress and you don't have to worry about your financial situation. So my second stream of income is from YouTube and also brand collaboration. This is probably the income stream that I love the most because I got to experience things while making money by doing it. Honestly, I'm also like new with this stream of income. I just got monetized from YouTube, but with brand collaboration, I think I've been doing it on and off for the past few years. And this year, I just decided to take it more seriously. And I'm so proud to say that I've seen a significant result just by doing it consistently for the past few months. With this stream of income, the number fluctuates. I make around 1,000 to 2,000 bucks per month. Also, I want to clarify that you don't need a huge following on Instagram or YouTube to start working with brands. You just need to know the right step to talk to brands and like give them your offer that would make brands wanted to work with you, and also getting paid from doing brand collaborations. So because I got asked about this question a lot, about how I work with brands with less than 5,000 followers on Instagram and also on YouTube. I created this guidebook that will walk you to step by step on how you can monetize your social media and start getting paid as a micro-influencer. My another source of income that I don't really talk about much is affiliate marketing. And I'm new in affiliate marketing, but I've been loving it so far because I think this is one of the most passive income that you can do. And yeah, you can also do affiliate marketing from pretty much anywhere you want. I have some experience in social media marketing, but when I came through affiliate marketing, I gotta say it's like a totally different world. And I'm so glad that I came through this $7 course that taught me everything, literally everything I need to know about affiliate marketing. So they taught me about how to do email marketing, how to make funnels, and all of those important things you need to know to do affiliate marketing. And you'd be surprised with how much you can make from affiliate marketing. And the greatest thing is you don't even have to handle customer service or like product delivery because the company does it for you. So the combination of being able to make money online and the low cost of living in Thailand is why I'm here now. So if you're curious about how to make money online and also you want to kickstart your digital nomad journey, you can check out my guidebook and also the $7 course that I took. I'll link both in the description box below. We are out having lunch at one of the vegan restaurants here in Chiang Mai. I thought I'd just move outside because I don't want to disturb the other customers inside, but yeah, what makes it really comfortable to live here in Thailand as a digital nomad is the convenience of having cafes where they have good and stable internet connection, so you pretty much can work everywhere. And also eating out doesn't cost a lot here. It's pretty affordable. There's tons of free activities you can do. Either you go for a hike or to the waterfalls or to the night markets because they have tons of markets here. So to sum it up, I make money by doing digital marketing, freelancing, and also collaboration. So if you guys want to see more of this type of content, travel related and also digital nomad lifestyle, make sure you like and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions about digital nomad or living in Thailand, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll reply to your questions. So that's all for this video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!